Hi guys! We are starting a new stage of our development. This level is dedicated to knowledges about multiple objects moves that are based on juggling technique. The moves we will learn here will be hard for you to do if you missed my previous lessons, because my program is built to learn Flair step by step, and every next lesson is continuation of previous ones. Anyway, if you can't do some move and you don't understand why, you can write me in the comments of the video or on my Instagram page, and I will try to help you. So, what exactly we will learn here? Almost all moves where you have 3 and more objects in your hands are based on different juggling techniques. Let me explain it to you better watching these 5 objects move. At first glance, it may seem like some really hard move which is not clear how to do. But in fact, this is a trick built on 3 objects juggling technique and then complicated step by step. Watch it. And it's what we will start to learn now, the base of such tricks. And after you understand how it all works, you can easily learn difficult moves and create your own ones. Really important thing for you now is that you have to be able to juggle with 3 barrels. And you have to be really good with all of moves from previous levels. I repeat it again and again because when you start to learn hard big moves without good basement, you can be disappointed and start to think that you cannot do big moves, that it's really hard for you and you don't understand why everyone can do it but you can't. So please don't forget my advice. If you wish to learn big moves, you can do it. You just have to be ready for it. When you have a coach, it's easy, because coach sees which moves you are ready to do and which are not. But when you practice using YouTube lessons, you have to be your own coach. So you have to be really smart and understand how to do everything step by step, and you will be really inspired by your amazing results. Under this video I will give you a link to the video guide through my program, so it will be easier for you to find the moves you need if you're gonna see that you missed some material earlier and you have to come back to previous lessons to learn it. I hope you will learn a lot of new interesting things on this level, and hope to see you on Flair competitions really soon. Good luck!